The Roy and Margot Larsen Wildlife Sanctuary, hosted by the Audubon Society, is one of the largest and most widely used of their sanctuaries. The sanctuary provides habitats for hundreds of species of birds, plants, and animals, and hosts a large variety of plants and animals because of its large variety of habitats. The sanctuary is largely made up by marshes, thus the use of many wood bridges that stretch along its exterior. Here you can see the large amounts of skunk cabbage that make their home in the marshy grounds. According to the Audubon Society, the entire enclosure possesses 155 acres. Bridges on many of the trails are always very well managed. The ones that aren't managed well usually have signs indicating such. Much of the enclosure was farmland, thus most of the woods are young growth. The old growth can be found on the western side of the enclosure, where there is a larger population of red and white oak. Saying this, there is a very large tulip tree found off of Chiboka's Trail. The many marshes provide habitats for some species that may be hard to find elsewhere, such as skunk cabbage or jack-in-the-pulpit. In this sanctuary, the forests are very mixed. You will find trees such as birch, beech, hemlock, oak, maple, pine, and many others. The sanctuary provides a safe haven for some conservation species, such as the box turtle, which resides in its ponds. The Chiboka's Special Use Trail makes it so that people using wheelchairs can now travel along the trails. The trail itself is covered in small bits of gravel, so it makes it easier for people using wheelchairs. In the wintertime, the sanctuary is absolutely gorgeous. The snow cakes the entire landscape beautifully, and the trails have access to cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. The old growth section in the west side of this Audubon Center provide habitats for many different species of large birds, such as the pileated woodpecker and the barred owl. All trails are very well marked, and even the back roads have signs leading to them. I really do recommend this nature preserve. It possesses everything you'd really want. Nice walks, plenty of different wildlife, and nice sceneries. Hope to see you there.